Hi, welcome to the California State University San Bernardino Office of Financial Aid and Scholarships workshop tutorial. The Office of Financial Aid and Scholarships would like to provide you with some helpful tips and information regarding the scholarship process. Let's get started. On-campus scholarships are administered by the Financial Aid Office, academic colleges, and various other campus departments and associations. The general metrics measured for the scholarship are grade level, financial need, GPA, and enrollment status. The first step is to fill out an application online via MyCoyote. Go to My Financials, click on CSUSB scholarship site, sign in and get started. The application is divided into 7 sections: instructions and student demographics, general information, program and career related questions, letter of recommendation and student essay, specific scholarship questions, specific essay questions, and finally applicant consent. Many of our scholarships have specific requirements and preferences. Please select all that apply to you, including your major, special interests, and career goals, as this will increase the number of scholarships for which you may be considered. Please note, some scholarships require a separate essay in addition to your autobiographical essay. The application will feature yes and no questions, drop-down menus, short answer, and essay sections. Each page is saved as you navigate through, but the application will time out after 45 minutes of non-activity. Because many of our on-campus scholarships are need-based, we strongly recommend that you apply for the FAFSA. By doing so, you will be considered for on-campus scholarships as well as federal, state, and institutional aid. We also encourage students who are considered California Dreamers to complete the California Dream Act application. Go to dream.csac.ca.gov to complete the application. Keep in mind, the only qualification for CSUSB scholarships is a valid Coyote ID number. The second step in the application process is the letter of recommendation. The process is all online. A letter of recommendation is to be completed by a professor or a teacher. Enter the email address of the person that you want to complete your recommendation. Once saved, your scholarship application will be updated. You will be able to track the status on your application and send a reminder to the person if necessary. Remember to notify your references. Notify in advance the person that you are requesting a letter of recommendation. Let them know to be on the lookout for an email from notify@ngwebsolutions.com with the subject letter of recommendation, so they won't think it's junk mail and disregard it. The third step is the autobiographical essay. It is divided into 3 short essay questions regarding community involvement, educational goals, and any obstacles or challenges that you have had to face. Take time to edit and proofread your essay before you enter it here and submit. Remember to mention special interests and other areas that you may have checked in your application. Once your application is submitted, you cannot correct it. Make sure to mention valuable information about your family history and background. If you are a first-generation college student and/or if you have overcome adversity, it's wise to mention that. Include specific examples. Mention any community service you've done. Mention your degree objectives and overall career goals, as there might be scholarships designed to support students like you. Don't say, "You need to give me a scholarship because I deserve it." Prove it. Your essay should be more than a paragraph. You want the reader to get to know you. Step 4 is your GPA verification. Incoming freshmen and new transfer students can report their current cumulative GPA on the application, but will need to have a final transcript on file with the Office of Admissions to be considered for scholarships where the GPA is a requirement. After submitting your application, you will be able to review your answers and check the status of your recommendations. The 5th and final requirement is the application consent section. It is important to read and consent, as this will verify you have been informed on what will happen to the information you have agreed to release. So to reiterate what is necessary to have a complete application, you will need to fill out the application, write and submit an autobiographical essay, at least 1 letter of recommendation submitted from a teacher or professor. For high school and transfer students, a final transcript on file with the Office of Admissions, and a read and signed application consent form. It is also recommended you submit a free application for federal student aid by March 2nd to qualify for need-based scholarships, or, if applicable, a California DREAM Act application. The scholarship application deadline is March 2nd. The letter of recommendation is due by March 9th. New student awards will be awarded March through April. Continuing student awards will be awarded from April through June. All students with a complete application should be notified by the end of July, and fall disbursements will begin in September. After you're awarded your scholarship, don't forget to send a thank you letter. Certain scholarships require you to complete and submit a thank you letter before your funds are dispersed. If that is the case, instructions will be provided to you. The Office of Advancement will review, approve, and forward your letter to the donor. Writing assistance can be obtained at the Writing Center. Maximize your opportunities by visiting the Office of Financial Aid and Scholarships website. Here you can search for off-campus scholarships even after the on-campus application deadline. Just go to CSUSB.edu/financial-aid. Click Current Students, Types of Aid, Scholarships, then Scholarship Search Engines. There, you can choose from different search engines to continue searching for more financial aid from off-campus sources. For more information, please contact us at the Financial Aid website or the Financial Aid Scholarship Hotline. Thanks for watching and good luck!